Good morning, Beverett Hills Elementary. I'm Melissa Kelly, your SCA president.
I'm Fiona Laughlin, your SCA treasurer, and this is the news for Thursday, February 20th, 2020.
In this day in history, in 1878, Thomas Edison invented the phonograph.
In 1913, prizes were added to Cracker Jack boxes. Ask your parents about those.
And in 1945, during World War II, we had the Battle of Iwo Jima. Now stay tuned for two guest speakers with the word of the day.
Hi, I'm Betsy. Hi, I'm Anna, and here's the word of the day. Today's word of the day is output. To output is to produce something. Computers output data quickly. During World War II, humans worked with computers until they programmed machines to calculate output faster and more accurately. African-American heroes Dorothy Vaughan, Mary Jackson, Katherine Johnson, and Christine Darden were computers that helped shape history.
Thank you, guest speakers.
Today is National Love Your Pet Day.
The idea is to give your pet a little extra love today to show them how much they mean to us.
Did you know that the most households in the U.S. have at least one pet? Whether it is a dog, cat, or iguana, Americans love their pets.
And now Mrs. Reichert is here to share some new book choices with us.
Good morning. As you all know, this week is Random Acts of Kindness Week. So I found some cool books that you might like with this theme going on. The first, and many of you may know this book, is Enemy Pie. In this story, the little boy is having a great summer until Jeremy Ross moves in and makes his summer bad. His dad says, "Let's help you with this, and we'll make some enemy pie." What happens when they make enemy pie? The next story, and it's really cute, is called Nico and Lola. And this little boy, Nico, his aunt asks him to take care of her dog, Lola. And so Nico tries to think of some very kind things to do. For example, on one of the pages, he shares his favorite blanket. Each page has a message about kindness. The next story is an African tale, and it's Mufara's beautiful daughters. And in this story, two of the girls are going to marry the king, or excuse me, one of the girls. One is very kind and sweet to everyone, and the other one is unkind and greedy. The story continues with the unkind and greedy one trying to get to the city first so she can meet the king and become his wife. Along the way, she meets some people like a little hungry boy and an older woman, and she's not very kind to them. Finally, it turns out that the king were these people. See which one he chooses. The theme of the story is very good. It means be kind to all. Hope you guys have a great day.
Thank you, Mrs. Reichert.
And that is all for us today.
This is Alyssa Kelly.
And Fiona Laughlin, remember, be respectful,
Be responsible.
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.